Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can modify various Steam configurations. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Interface. This section contains all the visual and display settings for your Steam client, which is exactly where we need to make some adjustments to resolve the black screen problem. Now, in the interface settings, look for an option called Client Beta Participation. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Steam Beta Update. By opting into the beta version, you're allowing Steam to use the latest experimental features and fixes that might not be available in the stable release yet. This can often resolve display issues like black screens. After selecting the Beta Update option, you'll notice a button that says Restart Now. Click on it to apply the changes. Steam will close and reopen automatically with the beta version enabled. Once Steam relaunches, go back to Settings and then Interface again. This time, look for the option that says Enable GPU-accelerated rendering in web views requires restart. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn this feature off. Disabling GPU acceleration can fix black screen issues caused by graphics card compatibility problems or driver conflicts. After toggling this off, click Restart Now once again. This will close Steam and relaunch it with the new settings applied. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Steam restarts and you log back in. This process might take a little longer than usual as the application reconfigures itself with the updated settings, so give it some time to fully load and stabilize before moving forward. Wait for Steam to relaunch completely. If the black screen issue is resolved, you're all set and can start using Steam normally again. However, if you're still experiencing the black screen problem, there's one more troubleshooting step you can try. In the bottom right corner of your screen, near the system tray, click on Show Hidden Icons. This will reveal additional icons that are running in the background. Locate the Steam icon, right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Exit Steam. This ensures that Steam is completely closed and not running in the background. Now find your Steam shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can sometimes resolve permission-related issues that cause display problems like black screens. And there you go, you've successfully fixed the black screen issue on Steam using these troubleshooting methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.